Hello children, you're welcome to mathematics class. Today we're going to be having the last series 6 for our common entrance pass question. So we're going to continue from where we stopped. Question 51 says 16 naira is shared among 3 boys in the proportion 9, 6, 3. How much will each boy get in naira? So the first thing is we're going to add all those proportions together. 9 plus 6 plus 3. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. So we have 18. Then we'll now start finding what each of the boys will get. The first boy, his proportion is 9. So you're going to say 9 over 18, this total, 9 over 18 multiplied by 60, which is the amount of money. So let's see, I think we can divide this. You can say 6 here 3, you can say 6 here 10. Then you have 9 times 10, 90, divided by 3, that's 30 naira. Then you go to the second boy, his proportion is 6. So I'll say 6 over this total 18 multiplied by the amount 60 naira. So I can still use 6 to divide this. 6 in 18, 3. 6 in 60, 10. 10 times 6, 60. 60 divided by 3, 20. So this boy will get 20 naira. And for the third boy, his proportion is 3. So I'm going to say 3 over 18, which is the total, multiplied by 60, the amount. So 6 here is 3, 6 here is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So at the end of the day, the first boy will get 30 naira, the second boy 20 naira, and the third boy 10 naira. Do you understand this? Good. The next question says, find the value of b squared if b plus 100 is equals to 90 naira. Find the value of b squared if b plus 100 is equals to 90 naira. So from this equation, b plus 100 is equals to 90 naira. Let's look for what b is. I'm going to bring my 100 to this side and it will become minus 100. So b is equals to 90 minus 100. b is equals to minus 10. So we are looking for b squared, which is what? B times b. So if b is minus 10, so b squared will be minus 10 times minus 10. A negative number multiplied by a negative number will give you a positive number. So minus 10 multiplied by minus 10 will give you 100. Do you understand this? Good. The next question says, arrange 2 over 5, 3 over 4, 3 over 10, and 9 over 12 in order of size from the smallest. So you have to arrange in ascending order from the smallest number to the biggest number. Okay, one way to you can do this and can make it easy is for you to change all those decimals. Sorry, all these fractions, you change them to decimals and then you arrange. Like 2 over 5. Now I'm going to say 2 divided by 5. That will give me 0.40. 3 divided by 4, 0.75. 3 divided by 10, 0.30. 9 divided by 12, 0.75. Then I'll look at this decimal, which is the smallest, 0.30, isn't it? And the equivalent fraction is 3 over 10. So I'm going to write 3 over 10 here. The next is 0.40. The fraction is 2 over 5. I'll write 2 over 5 here. The next one is what? These two are the same, 0.75, 0.75. So I can write either of them first. So I'll bring 3 over 4 and then 9 over 12. So I have arranged these from the smallest to the biggest. 3 over 10, 2 over 5, 3 over 4, and 9 over 12. Okay, the next question says, express 32,032 in figures. So what I'll do is I'll write out the place values. This is units, tenths, 100, thousand, tens of thousand. And I'll start fixing each of this figure under its place value. I have 32,000. That means I have 30,000. That is 3 tens of thousand. 3 under tens of thousand. 2,000. That is 2 under thousand. 30, 30, that is what? Tens. 3 under tens. 2, that is 2 under units. If you notice, I don't have anything under 100, so I'm just going to write 0 there. Then I'll write the numbers out. 32032. That is 32,032 in figures. Okay, this question says, what is the name of the figure below? Look at this figure. Can you see they are opposite parallel lines and all the sides are equal? So this is a rhombus. A rhombus. The next question says, a triangle has a height 10 centimeter and a base 12 centimeter. Find its area. You must know the formula for area of a triangle, and that is 1 over 2 times base times height. So 1 over 2 times my base here is 12 centimeter and my height is 10 centimeter. So 1 over 2 times 12 times 10. 2 can go here 1, 2 can go here 6. 6 times 10 is 60 centimeter square. Remember, the unit for area should be in square. 60 centimeter square. All right, the next question says, express 2.75 to the nearest whole number. To the nearest whole number. Now, to round up to the nearest whole number, you look at the number after your decimal. If the number is 5 or more than 5, you add 1 to the number before the decimal, and these ones will become 0, 0. So if the number after the decimal is 5 or greater than 5, you round off the number by adding 1 to the number before. So for this is 7 after the decimal number. It's bigger than 5. So I'm going to add 1 to this 2. I'll add 1 to this 2 to give me 3, while this will become 0, 0. So 2.75 to the nearest whole number is 3, or I can say 3.00. It's still the same thing. 58. Change 0.48 to percentage. You know that the percentage is 100. So I'm going to multiply 0.48 by 100. I'm multiplying by 100. So I'll move my decimal point 2 places to the right. 1, 2. And that is 48. So 48% is the equivalent of 0.48 in percentage. Question 59 says, change 4 base 10 to base 2. If I'm changing from base 10 to base 2, I'm going to divide that number by 2. I'll keep dividing, write my answer and the remainder. So this is 4. 2 in 4 is 2, remainder 0. 2 in 2 is 1, remainder 0. 2 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. And then I will read my answer from down, from the bottom, 100. So 4 base 10 is 100 base 2. Okay, this question says, from 35.05, take away 30.98. That means subtract 30.98 from 35.05. In subtraction, the bigger number should be on top. So 35.05 minus 30.98. 5 minus 8, that cannot be possible. So I'll come here to borrow. This is 0. I can't borrow from here. So I'll come here. I'll borrow 1 from here and put it here. This becomes 10. From this 10, I'll borrow 1 and put it here. This becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. I'm left with 9 because I borrowed 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. I'm left with 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So my answer is 4.07 naira. 4.07 naira. So 35.05 minus 30.98 is 4.07 naira. We've come to the end of the class and the end of the series. I hope you enjoyed yourself like I did. Have a wonderful day. Bye.